Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now. Place the watch face down on a soft cloth and secure one lug with your thumb. Use the forked end of the spring bar tool to compress the spring bar inward, not sideways, because that avoids damaging the lug hole. Once one end clears, gently pull the band away while keeping tension on the tool. If the bar pops, catch it in the tray. Repeat on the other side and set both spring bars aside. You'll need them for reassembly. Next, size the band. Find the links with arrows and align a pin pusher with a pin. Tap gently until the pin moves through. Remove the pin and separated link so the band fits your wrist. Once sizing is correct, rejoin links by reinserting pins in the opposite direction and tap flush. Make sure the pin head sits level, because misaligned pins can damage the case or catch on clothing. Then reattach the clasp and check operation before mounting the band back on the watch. To finish, compress the spring bar, seat one end into the lug notch, then align and release the opposite end until it snaps in. Make sure you hear or feel the click, because a loose bar will let the band fall off. Once installed, test by rotating the watch and giving a gentle tug. If the bar resists seating, inspect the lug hole for debris. Once cleaned, try again, or replace the spring bar. Corroded bars are the most common failure and an easy fix.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.